Now I'm going to show you on how to join the t-shirt yarn together. So these are two cut t-shirt yarn. This is done. I want to show you how I did this. See? Okay, so I will use the gray. These are all the t-shirt yarn that I cut. I use the gray one. What you need is scissor and two cutted t-shirt yarn. And for you to join this, put a bit of hole in the edge, fold into two, and then cut here like this, just a bit. Okay, this is the first thread, and the next one you will also do the same on the yarn 2. Okay, so it's done. And also in the edge of the first yarn, so there are 3 holes. Okay, now what you can do is insert this one here. Let's insert. Let's insert and then also see, insert the tail here and then pull it gently. See, I already joined it. Now let's do another here. But you need to do also the same thing. Okay. And then get this one. Also insert this one, see? Then just pull it very gentle, not to cut the thing that you made a hole. See? You already. So now this is the 3, 1, 2, then 3. So I already joined the three strand of t-shirt yarn. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this.